I'm going to just record it once, the previous lessons, and then we can go to today's lessons. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatikam Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamastravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrinvannotibi Sida Sadanam Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. So the second lesson we did yesterday, or sorry, last week, was Namaste Rudram Manvane Udato Ishave Namaha Namasto Astu Danvane Bahupyam Udate Namaha. So today the lesson is Yada Ishu Shivatama Shivam Babuva Tedanu Shiva Shravyaya Yadava Tayeno Rudram Rudayat. So to go into the Gana mode, we are going to sing Yade Ishu Yade Ishu Siva. I think they said Sivatama together. So Sivatama Sivatama Ishu Yade Ishu Sivatama. Then the second word would be Ishu Sivatama Ishu Sivatama Shivam Shivatama Ishu Sivatama Shivam Babuva. Shivatama Shivam Shivam Babuva Shivam Shivam Babuva Shivam Babuva Te Babuva Shivam Babuva Te Babuva Te Danu Te Babuva Te Danu Te Danu Shiva Danu Te Danu Shiva Danu Shiva Danu Shiva Shravyaya Danu Te Danu Shiva Shravyaya Shravyaya Tava ya Shravyaya Yatava Teyano Yatava Teyano Tavaya Teyano Rudra Teyano Rudra Teyano Rudra Mrudayat Rudra Teyano Rudra Mrudayat